feel privileged to be here and speaking in front of you. Dr. Saha is there. He knows my school very well. And initially, when AI for Youth partnering with Intel India, we were one among the pilot school and did a lot of work with them. And two of our projects also got first and third prize in India. And besides that, as a student of economics, I was very passionate about entrepreneurship and all. When I started my teaching career, I used to say in Indian economics there is lack of dynamic entrepreneurship in India, 20 years back. So to my students. And then when I got the opportunity to be principal of a school or as a school leader, then I could see some chance of putting my mission and vision there and how I can realize. So I had a dream that when CBSE introduced the subject entrepreneurship in our curriculum, so there is a textbook of course and everything is prescribed, but I just wanted to go out of that textbook. And as we are talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat and Startup India and Skill India, so we had our flagship program. We started in 2014. I joined ITL in 2012. So slowly I gathered confidence. I believed in myself that I can do it, and my team also believed in me, the whole school team. So we started with this program. I just started from a very small thing, that what I can do. Maybe one drink which every child will drink during the break time, and how it can be manufactured, all those things. Then my HODs of chemistry and biology, they came in, they said no, we will be having all the ingredients also indigenously grown. So we thought of a Sanjeevani Batika. So it's a herb garden, and we have all kind of herbs and spices in our garden, and that is taken care by our students itself, all our teachers and students. And then we thought of a basket of organic products. And here what I am talking about, the whole school community is involved. It's not only principal and few HODs and few senior students. These are right from class 4 to class 12, including conservancy staff. Everybody knew, my teaching, non-teaching, admin, conservancy staff, everybody knew something is happening and they are a part of it. So when we were making aloe vera gel, so everybody, class 4 child is also making there, and we could do everything in chemistry and biology lab. We came up with 3 products only that time. So, and dengue season was going on, so we came up, first product was mosquito repellent, and then we out of these 3 subjects, 3 products, I told my commerce students that now you can think who is an entrepreneur, who takes the risk. So at the school, they are all change makers, and we have to provide them a safe space to make mistake, to fail, to retry, and then finally they can achieve success. It's not all the time that we will take some step and then we'll achieve success. At one go, it doesn't happen. So we started with 3 products. Our parents, they really cooperated with us, and we have a Skill India project also, where I first gave them skill. The potter wheel came to the school. Tanjore painting, the national award winner, resource person came to school. Tie and dye, they came to the school and gave these skills right from nursery to class 12 as per grade level. So accordingly we started doing that. So all the skills were given first of all. Then we started manufacturing, where science students, they came with the composition. We went to DRDO lab also to do the sustainability and authenticity. And then the commerce students came in to do the pricing, whether normal profit is a part of price or beyond price, how they can tag it, how they can brand it, how they should package it, and finally sales and marketing techniques, strategies. So this is my vision, that they will not be employment seekers, let them be employment providers. So that is the idea of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we have completely shifted, from what to learn to how to learn. So entrepreneurship book was there, I could have done that. So now this is a culture in our school. So innovation is a mindset. If we really give them flexibility in teaching, learning, in curriculum designing, in lesson planning, everywhere, it starts from the school gate and each and every person is involved there. So that kind of mindset slowly we are giving, and now we have diversified, reinvesting just from management. I think we got 1 lakh 2014. Now we are producing 14 products out of 3. Then next we invested, and I always say in my room, there is a khajana, kya karna hai, come here, I'll give, as if I have got lot of money. So I never say them no. Anything they want to do, it is always a yes. And they say that, Sudha ma'am, we become very scared because we don't want to let you down. For everything you say yes, so we are more accountable. So that's the kind of freedom we have to give them. So school should provide one ecosystem, and the teaching learning process should bring in community. So it should be community based teaching learning process, and there should not be any fear at all. 2 of my head boy head girl are sitting there, so always I tell them, your voice counts. You don't have to raise your voice, you don't have to enter into conflict, but your voice counts. So that's the kind of ecosystem I think we can provide. We have taken the first step. There is a long journey to go. Thank you for providing with us.